Hello and welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a flower earring, and I got this idea from Nastasia.com. This is really super easy and fast as well, guys. So I'll be using a cotton yarn size 1, a pliers, a pair of scissors, 1.1mm hook, and a needle for weaving later on. I will be using two colors, which is pink and yellow, for this project. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 1 and make 10 single crochet inside of the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Tighten up your tail of your yarn and slip stitch into the first single crochet that you make. Then grab the pink yarn and slip stitch in any of the stitches. Then make a half double crochet and 1 double crochet on that same stitch. Double crochet on the next stitch. Half double crochet on the same stitch. Chain 1 and do a single crochet on the next stitch. Half double crochet on the same stitch and make double crochet on that same stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch. Half double crochet into that same stitch. Chain 1 and single crochet into the next stitch. Do the same pattern so you can have a total of 5 petals. chain 1 and slip stitch into the beginning, chain 1, cut the yarn. Make sure to leave at least 5 inches or more to weave in the the earring loop later. Use a yarn needle and weave in the tail of your work into the center part of the petal. And like I said, use a crochet loop, earring loop. Cut all the excess yarn. And using your fish hook earring and a pair of pliers, attach your work to make an earring. You can either add a bead in the center of that flower, or you can put it below the earring, but I just leave it the way it is for me because it's really cute. So here it is, our finished product. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for watching. This is Ali Crochet. Bye bye.